200 centimeter cube of air was passed over heated copper in a syringe several times to produce copper 2 oxide. When cooled, the final volume of air recorded was 158 centimeter cube. Estimate the percentage of oxygen in the air. Before calculating the percentage, we need to know the volume of oxygen in the air. And from this question, it is a straightforward one, in the sense that we are given the initial value of air and we are given the final volume of air. So we can easily determine the volume that took part in the reaction, that is the volume that reacted with copper to yield copper 2 oxide. So the volume that reacted to produce copper 2 oxide will be the volume of oxygen in the air. So after determining that, we can then proceed to calculate the percentage of oxygen in the air. So the first thing now, we'll be stating that initial volume of air, that's 200 centimeter cube, and the final volume, that's 258 centimeter cube. Now volume of oxygen in the air will be the difference between the initial value and the final value. That will be 200 centimeter cube minus 158 centimeter cube, and that will be equivalent to 42. So from here now, we can say percentage of oxygen in air equals 42, the volume of oxygen itself, divided by the volume of the air, 200 centimeter cube, multiplied by 100, equals 21%. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the percentage of oxygen in the air to be 21. And that will be all. Do well to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.